Hey everybody, Greg here, coming to you with another episode of Greg's Bonsai. Today we're going to go over one of my lemon trees that I haven't talked about before. We're going to designate this as Lemon D. These guys have not been growing as well as my other lemon trees. I'm not exactly sure why. They've all kind of had the same environment. They grew in the same area, and they're growing in the same area outside now with the same light, same water schedule. So this is the kind of interesting part here, is that you can just see how different lemon trees are. So if you go back and you look at my A, B, and C trees, you can see they're quite big, quite strong. They're about, about yay high. They're already about double the size of this. This guy is probably about 6 to 8 inches tall. But it has done a little different in growing. The leaves have come off a little bit. And we do have, like I said, some browning, just growing differently. The leaves have not been all 100% there, but it is still growing. There is still, and I will zoom in here just so you guys can kind of see this, hopefully. If the camera wants that. We do have, there we go. We have some growth here that's still happening up on the top levels, and right here we have some growth happening as well, and with that there. So it's not completely, even down here in these lower branches and down here, and even this little, I would hate to say, but it's like a sucker branch coming out of the base. So we do have that happening here. So this is kind of an interesting take, and I wanted to just document this on my channel just so you guys could see the difference that I'm seeing for my lemon trees as well. So in here, even this is where some leaves fell off. You can kind of just see that. I've been noticing that they've been falling off. They kind of have like this little, let me see if I can, they have like the leaf and then this sub-leaf area here. So it's been kind of falling off of that, and then that's just kind of been there, and then that falls off afterwards. So I'm not exactly sure what that is. I'm gonna have to research that and get back to you guys just so you guys can kind of see what it is. But yeah, these guys have been having a little bit harder time than my A, B, and C trees. So I want to kind of figure out why, but it could just be that's how it is, and it's got to go through its growing pains. But it still is growing. It's still producing more. The one thing I'm noticing on this tree is that there are no thorns yet. So that's kind of interesting. The trunk is pretty strong. I'm seeing that. No problems there. Do see a little bit of weirdness there. I'm not sure what that is exactly, but it is strong. It's lively. It's green. So I'm not worried about this guy. It's gonna come. It's gonna grow, and I'm interested to see how it will grow as time goes on. It's not ready for a repot yet, so I'm probably going to be putting this in the tent once fall comes, and I won't be changing it out. Although I am noticing, and I think we can see here, I do have a little bit of roots coming out of the bottom. So I may have to do a little bit of work with this before I take it in. I'm going to be looking into that. I should be able to trim those roots and not have any kind of repercussions from that. So this is Lemon Tree D. That's what we're going to designate this guy. And I'm looking forward to see how this develops as the months come on, now that it is showing its colors to me. So let me know what you think down below. Leave a comment. Let me know if you want to see anything different, any kind of different fruits or different kind of trees. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, the like button as well, and that little bell once you hit the subscribe button, just so that you get the notifications. I do try and post at least 3 times a week on my channel. with some shorts intermixed in there just to liven it up and do a little different things like moments of zen and things like that. So till next time, this is Greg signing off, and one last look in the sky just to kind of give you guys an idea. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.